Hey viewers, this is group 13. We've got the Hermes warship class. We got a CN 5075, the US Army 4825, another Canadian National 6500, and the wooden engine. This is the D823 Hermes warship class. It's pretty quick. Here we got the CN 5075. The Canadian National 6500, another one run by rubber bands. This one will probably get the best lap time of the group, but I'll save that for the lap times and see if it holds up. The US Army 4825. This one's quite loud. And it ain't very fast either. And we got the wooden engine. For something that somebody made a body completely from scratch, it actually works pretty good. Someone took a lot of time and effort to detail this thing up. First for lap times, we got the CN 5075. .23, that's pretty good. This is the US Army. It is not very fast. .17, that's definitely on the slower side of the engines. This is the Canadian National 6500. Just like all the other ones that were driven by rubber bands, it's quick. Oh yeah, 9.26. This is the Hermes engine. 14.61, right in the middle. And last up for group 13 is the wooden engine. It's fairly quick, but it won't beat out the Canadian National 6500, I don't think. Now, 13.7. Still, that's not bad for a homemade engine. Well, that's all for this group. Stay tuned for group 14. Thanks for watching.